Hard condition din po siya at saka po ano po bali nagpadala po siya ng letter po dito. Hindi ko lang po nabasa kung ano yung iba pang content.
Thank you. Mr. President, that I will be unable to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations, fourth public hearing scheduled for September 18 at 9 a.m. Or 9 in the morning. Regrettably, I have an important meeting with my employees on the day of the hearing to explain the problem that the company is facing now. Cesara Rowena C. Discaya.
Mr. Chairman, with that letter, nagsisinungaling itong si Mr. Discaya na meron daw karamdaman yung kanyang asawa.
Mr. Chair, nanumpa ito to tell the truth, and dito harap-harapang nagsinungaling ka, binabastos mo kami, niloloko mo kami. Diba? Huwag mo kami lokohin because we will, the chairman has the power to cite you in contempt. I mean, do not do that. Eh ba yung sinasabi mo, medical condition? Kung may medical condition, sige nga, bigyan mo nga kami ng medical certificate. Eh ba yung sinasabi, mismo na misis mo eh. Di ba kayo nag-usap? Sana nag-usap muna kayong dalawa. Ano bang palusot ang gagawin natin, sweetheart or darling?
Mr. Chair.
You lied. You lied. Paano pa kami maniniwala sa mga pinagsasabi mo?
Senator Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The letter excuse of Mrs. Discaya is totally unacceptable.
Nang pasensya po sa inyo, wala po akong intention talaga magsinungaling pero yung misis ko po kasi talaga ay madalas po, may sakit po talaga siyang diabetes at saka meron po talaga siyang hypertension. At katunayan nga po, marami po siyang mga maintenance po na gamot na ginagamit. Opo.
Mr. Chairman.